Hey everybody, my name is Jessica Dugan. I'm still registered as Jessica Bourget, so I'll show up under my maiden name. Um, I live in Providence, Rhode Island with my husband and my cat. We just got married in October, so that's pretty cool. I actually graduated in May of 2016 with a degree in English, concentration in creative writing, and gender and women's studies as well. So I decided to start graduate school at this point in my life because I originally applied to MFA programs, so for a degree in creative writing, and didn't get in, applied to like 4 programs. And then just kind of took a year to think about what was the best option for me and if I wanted to really continue with my creative writing degree. So I actually ended up deciding to do this social work program with and also pair it with a master's in human sexuality health education as well. So I'll be starting that up in the fall. Yeah, it just seemed to make the most sense to me now because I'm a server currently, and I obviously don't want to be doing that forever. And I really want to have a job where I feel like I make a difference in the world. So I decided to do this. So I was interested in sexual health education because I didn't really get very good sexuality health education in high school, and I kind of saw how that affected me throughout my entire life. So that's what I'm really interested in educating young people and people in the community about their bodies, about their sexuality, about healthy relationships, because I didn't really have anybody in my life when I was younger to do that for me, and I think that's really, really important. So I'm really excited. This is my second class in the social work program now, so one under my belt, which I think most everyone is as well. And I really look forward to getting to know everybody over the next 7 weeks and learning together. So thanks so much for watching.